To improve the health of the gut, you can do many things, such as reducing your stress levels, eating slowly, staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and paying attention to food tolerances. However, one major way to make sure your gut gets the necessary nutrients that it needs is to improve your nutrition. This involves getting rid of high-fat foods and processed foods and focusing on the ideal foods that can improve the health of your gut. Your diet should contain foods that are plant-based, and that contain fiber, protein, and other beneficial nutrients. Check out these foods for a healthy gut. 1. Yogurt. Probiotics can greatly improve the functions of the gut. They are living organisms that exist in many fermented foods and dietary supplements. Yogurt contains probiotics. It is made by putting good bacteria and milk together to metabolize lactose, thereby producing lactic acid and beneficial organisms. Moreover, if you are lactose intolerant, the probiotics in yogurt might help you enjoy it. You can also opt to purchase vegan yogurts that also contain probiotics. Apart from probiotics, yogurt contains beneficial nutrients such as vitamins, calcium, and protein. These can enhance the health of teeth and bones, ease digestive problems, and strengthen the immune system. 2. Kimchi. Another food for a healthy gut is kimchi, a popular Korean dish. Kimchi is a side dish of fermented vegetables that can be enjoyed with other ingredients like fish sauce, meat, eggs, and fish paste. It contains probiotic bacteria along with significant amounts of fiber and vitamins that can heal the damaged gut, reduce inflammation, reduce aging, combat yeast infections, support weight management, and improve heart health. 3. Olive oil. Olive oil is good for gut microbes because it contains polyphenols and fatty acids. Olive oil contains high amounts of potent antioxidants that can reduce the chances of developing certain chronic diseases. Olive oil can also be consumed to ease chronic inflammation, hence decreasing the risk of arthritis, obesity, metabolic syndrome, and heart disease. Consuming olive oil can also help your immune system ward off harmful bacteria such as Helicobacter pylori that can increase the risk of stomach ulcers. Other medicinal uses of olive oil include the prevention of strokes and the alleviation of rheumatoid arthritis. 4. Sauerkraut. Similar to kimchi but instead a composition of fermented and salted chopped cabbage, sauerkraut is popularly known as a German delicacy. However, it is prepared in different versions across Central and Eastern Europe. During the process of fermentation, microorganisms eat the sugar in the cabbage and make acids and carbon dioxide. The probiotics produced during the process of fermentation gives the body diverse benefits such as improved digestive systems and a healthy gut. You can enjoy sauerkraut on a sandwich or cheese plate. 5. Almonds. Almonds have unique probiotic qualities that can improve an imbalanced gut. In addition, they contain good amounts of fiber, polyphenols, vitamin E, magnesium, and fatty acids. Almonds can also reduce levels of cholesterol, decrease levels of blood sugar, and lower blood pressure. In addition, almonds contain strong antioxidants that can combat certain diseases like aging, cancer, and inflammation. However, according to studies, you should consume them with brown skin if this is where large amounts of the antioxidants are located. 6. Onions. Onions are unarguably healthy and can offer the body a truckload of benefits. They contain very few calories but are loaded with many minerals and vitamins. Not only has it been used for diverse medicinal advantages for ages, but it also contains prebiotics. Prebiotics are simply a type of carbs that our bodies cannot digest. Instead, they move to the lower part of the digestive tract where they aid the growth of healthy bacteria. Other health benefits of onions include the alleviation of different illnesses like mouth sores, headaches, heart disease, high blood sugar, cancer, and diabetes. 7. Ginger and garlic. Both ginger and garlic have antifungal and antibacterial qualities. Garlic can help regulate the actions of bad bacteria and aid in the balance of yeast in the gut. Fresh ginger can support the production of stomach acid and trigger the continuous movement of food in the digestive system. Consuming both garlic and ginger can fuel the actions of good gut bacteria. Other benefits of these spices include the elimination of upset stomachs, alleviation of sore throats, protection against cellular damage, enhanced cognitive functions, and a better immune system. The role of the gut goes beyond just digestion. It supports our body in many ways to ensure overall health. What you eat can have a great impact on the health of your gut. It is important to consume healthy foods that can improve their functions to avoid illnesses.